Everyone, in this video we will discuss two questions from lipid metabolism. So the first question is, describe the role of carnitine in fatty acid oxidation. It's a 3-mark question. So regarding beta oxidation, all of you know the beta oxidation reaction that takes place within the mitochondria. So before going for a beta oxidation reaction, the fatty acid has to be activated. That activation reaction takes place within the cytoplasm. So there is a program for this long chain fatty acid. This inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable for the long chain fatty acid. So that problem is solved with the help of a transporter protein which is known as carnitine. So function of carnitine helps in the transport of long chain fatty acid from cytoplasm to the mitochondria for beta oxidation. The important thing is carnitine is required only for long chain fatty acid. The short chain and medium chain fatty acid does not require carnitine for their transport. Only long chain fatty acid require carnitine. And few points related to carnitine. You should know the chemical name of carnitine. Chemical name of carnitine is beta-hydroxy-gamma-trimethyl ammonium butyrate. And the second thing is the amino acid precursors for carnitine. So carnitine is a protein. So it is derived from two amino acids. One is lysine and the second one is methionine. And the synthesis takes place within the liver cell. So that's all regarding carnitine. And the second question is, name 4 phospholipid and their functions. It's a 5-mark question. So here you should write the name of 4 phospholipids and indicate their functions. So we can write the 4 phospholipid. So first one is lecithin, the second phospholipid is phosphatidyl inositol, the third one is cardiolipin, and the fourth one is sphingomyelin. So let's see the functions of each of these phospholipid. So regarding lecithin, lecithin is an important phospholipid present in lung surfactant. So it is secreted by the alveolar epithelial cell. So what is the function of this lung surfactant? This lung surfactant decreases the surface tension of the alveoli. Thereby they can prevent the collapse of the lung alveoli. So what is the clinical significance of this lecithin? Deficiency of lecithin is associated with a clinical condition which is known as respiratory distress syndrome. So that is all regarding lecithin. Lecithin is also known as phosphatidyl choline. The second phospholipid is phosphatidyl inositol. So what is the significance of this phosphatidyl inositol? So on hydrolysis, this phosphatidyl inositol produces two compounds. One is diacylglycerol and second one is inositol triphosphate. And both of these compounds, that is diacylglycerol and inositol triphosphate, act as a second messengers for hormonal action. So that is the function of phosphatidyl inositol. These hydrolytic products of phosphatidyl inositol act as a second messengers. And the third phospholipid is cardiolipin. Another name of this cardiolipin is diphosphatidyl glycerol. Why it is known as a diphosphatidyl glycerol? Because this cardiolipin is made of 2 phosphatidic acid molecule and they are connected with one glycerol molecule. So it is known as diphosphatidyl glycerol. So what is the significance of this cardiolipin? And this phospholipid is present within the inner mitochondrial membrane and they are required for the mitochondrial function. So their deficiency of cardiolipin can lead to mitochondrial dysfunction. That is the significance of cardiolipin. The fourth phospholipid is sphingomyelin. So sphingomyelin is a type of sphingophospholipid. Why it is known as a sphingophospholipid? Because the alcohol part is contributed by sphingosine. And regarding sphingomyelin, it is the phospholipid which is present in the myelin sheath. So these are the different types of phospholipid and their functions. Okay, thank you.